What's going on, J Squad? Welcome back. Today we're gonna have something a little special. Remember I told you guys about, well, I said Kid X and apparently it's pronounced Kydex. So I know him as Adrian. Today he's gonna be coming fishing with us. I will keep my promise. But Jay, come here. I was thinking of doing something. So you guys know Jay, remember Jay? I want to do a fishing challenge with him. So basically, if he catches 2 fish, I don't care what size, I don't care what species. If he catches 2 fish, I'll buy him his own fishing pole. Do you think that's a good challenge? You like that? All right, let's go get our gear and then we'll check it out. Come on, let's get our gear. I need help. So actually, he's not gonna know about the challenge. Only we know about it because I don't want to put the pressure on him. And if he does get it, then we'll tell him then that he got the challenge. If he doesn't get it, I guess he won't know until he watches the video. And I know, Jay, you can't be a fishing YouTuber without your own fishing pole, so there you go.
Thank you.
You got your own fishing pole now. You just got to put line in it, and I'll show you how to do that now, actually. Real quick. I'm going to teach you a trick I learned back in my Boy Scout years.
You were in Boy Scout?
No, I lied.
Oh.
If you have a pencil,
Okay,
grab a pencil, put it through the hole, hang on to both ends. This way, hang on to both ends. Move back a little. Now you want to keep the line a little tight. So what I do, Jay, is I hold it with my fingers, and then just reel away. All right, guys, as promised, here we are. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend, Adrian, or Kydex, or whatever you want to call him. So, prediction: how many fish you gonna catch?
2.
How many fish you gonna catch? 2. How many fish am I gonna catch?
1.
Probably 1. All right, let's go. First spot. You saw that? Yeah, that was a fish. Go ahead. If you could reach over there. Yeah. Just cast far over there. That's a good spot. That's a good spot. Good one, Jay. This might be it.
That's far. Wait, that's where you're looking?
Well, the water's moving it, so they're both going to the right. Oh, you see it jumping? I'll get you over there if you want. You want me to get you over there? You're stuck, Jay? All right, guys. We have broken
This is heavy. This is real heavy.
What kind of trout is this?
I don't know.
It's a rainbow trout.
It is?
Because of the red line. Didn't you watch my last video?
No. No, I caught a fish. Adrian, I wish that was you though. No, because I thought it was stuck, so I started holding it.
Jace over there fighting with the bugs. I think the bugs are winning. All right, we've been fishing now for about half hour. You haven't caught any fish. How you feeling?
I mean, I feel like there's no fish.
There was no fish in this section?
Fish.
So if we move, we might get one?
I feel like we will.
Are you confident? How confident are you?
Say,
On a scale from 1 to 10, how confident are you that you're gonna catch the 2 fish you said you were gonna catch?
I say 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. That's pretty confident. I mean, it's not 100%, but 70%. I like it. I'll take it.
Got stuck in the tree. Oh my god, Adrian. How are you gonna get? This is like what my dad did, but worse.
We're gonna move, okay? If it comes back at us, it's gonna hit us right in the
Record my dad.
Saved it.
Oh, you got it?
All right, young man. Little over an hour. Still no fish. What's your confidence level now?
I'm not sure right now.
I don't know, man. I think he's giving up on those guys. What do you think? We'll make a fisherman out of him? I don't think he understands 90% of fishing, you don't catch nothing. Or 90% of the time you go fishing. Nah, that's a lot. At least 50% of the time you go fishing, you come home empty-handed. So, this just happens to be one of those trips. Unless you prove me wrong. All right, we've been fishing for a long time and none of us caught anything except for Jay. So I'm thinking even if he catches just one, he's getting the prize. So we're praying he catches one. Fingers crossed. Let me see. Bring it back towards you. There you go.
I got a super small
Hey, it's a fish, right?
fish.
Hang on to that.
I want to hold it.
Adrian, small like you.
This actually looks like a bass, smallmouth bass.
A bass?
It don't look like a rainbow.
All right, put it down. Put it down. Hurry up, we gotta get him back in. Hold it. All right, come over here.
I just saw like it.
Come over here. Don't let him go complete. Just put him underwater and hold him. Hold him. Okay. Go back and forth like that. Let go real quick. There he goes.
Let's go, Adrian.
Adrian.
Let's go. That's one.
I'm happy you caught one.
That's one.
Yeah.
I need one
Now
more.
you need one more.
Oh, I got a big one, I think.
Oh, I should have brought the net.
I'll get it. Here.
No, fine. You're fine. It's not good. I gotta let this fish go, guys. I'm sorry. Great job, but I gotta let him go. He's already fell twice.
He's gonna die.
No, he's not gonna die. So, Adrian, you actually fought the fish and you hooked them? Nice. I think I'm gonna switch it. I didn't plan on buying this dude. I think I'm gonna switch it. Let's make it 3 fish. I didn't think he was gonna catch any, so that's why I said 2.
that's a big one.
Hang on to this. Stay back here. Keep walking back.
You. Walk backwards. Here.
Jason,
Look at me. You thought I was gonna let these two outfish me, man? You crazy. This is my channel.
call
What kind of-
rainbow.
What do you think, Jay? What is it?
Rainbow
Is
trout.
that a babe? Oh, no, that's a rainbow. Yeah, it has a red line right there.
Rainbow trout. There he goes.
Let's go. Adrian caught them up somehow.
So now that you caught some fish, how do you feel your chances of catching a fish?
Well, now that I have more experience, I feel like I have more of a chance of catching a fish.
So did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. a
Okay,
lot.
so listen, there's one part of this video we left out. This was a fishing challenge video. Do you know what it is? Okay, so the challenge was, if you catch 2 fish, I will buy you your own rod and reel for the next time you come out. How many fish did you catch?
I got 2.
You are the proud owner of a new rod and reel, brother. Next time we come out, you're gonna have your own. All right? Guys, this is gonna end it for this video, man. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. From all of us, man, thank you for watching, and yeah, baby.